Hi, and welcome to Nature Glow Over 50. This session is your permission to melt away the stress we carry on our face. As we begin, breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. No rush, be in the moment. Close your eyes, let's begin. As you breathe in, rub your hands together slowly and hold the breath here. And breathe out with a sigh. Feel the warmth building. Place your fingers on your chin, slightly spread. Breathe in and gently circle to massage the muscle along the jawbone. As you exhale, open your mouth and drag your fingers down to release the jaw. Let the tension drop. Release the rule that says you have to hold it all together. Move to the soft part of the cheeks. Inhale and press firmly. Hold breath here. Exhale and slowly drag your fingers down. Melting the tension. It's safe to let go. Feel the tenderness. It's okay. We are simply lighting the hidden stress stored there. Place your fingers beside the corners of the mouth. Inhale, exhale, and gently massage in circles. Softness is safety. This is where we hold worry. Exhale and gently massage in circle. Fingertips on the temples. Close your eyes. Inhale deep and press as deep or as gentle as you need. Exhale and circle backwards. Imagine you are unscrewing the tight thoughts. You don't have to figure it out right now. Just be here. Place your fingertips at the top center of your hairline. Breathe in and start to gently circle, massaging your way outward along the hairline. Breathe out as you finish the sweep, gliding all the way down to reach the temples. From center to temple, one long continuous breath. Clear the path. Close your eyes. Take one last deep breath and hold. Notice the space you created. Breathe out. Thank you for slowing down with me. Remember, you are here to experience you.